My name is Wolf Hansen from Spiro Medical. I'm now going to show you how to import ApneaGraph AG200 data to the new ApneaGraph Spiro analysis software. There are two icons on the desktop here, one for Spiro Analysis Advanced version and one for the standard version. I can choose either of those. Open the application. And then I select New for new data. And the next one is to find my data. I have to browse to go to my folder where I have my AG200 data. You see this is, in my case, on the C disk. I select the folder, click OK. And you see here that AG200 ApneaGraph data have been found. The next button is gray, so I go back and forward again, and then I can continue. And this is the list of the so-called APN files, ApneaGraph 200 files that I have in my folder. So I can select one of these. This is one recording from 16th of August 2011. Click Next, and the data are being read. This is the folder name, the folder path, and the file. These are the data. I can select each of these and check that the data, in fact, are looking good. And they all seem to be fine. And then I can click Next. And then I'm able to enter the patient name, middle name, first name, last name, and a patient ID. Gender would be male in this case, I think. And date of birth could be entered. You have different data that you can input here. You can also input the data on the referring physician, attending doctor, ApneaGraph operator, and there's also a password entry here. You can select to show the password, and this is a simple one in my case. And the idea here is that this password is used to encrypt the name of the patient, the address and ID and so on, which can identify the patient. And this password is stored on the machine. And only with this password I am able to read the patient information like name and ID and so on. If I open it on another machine with another password, I will not be able to see the patient identification. I can then click Next, and I want to save my data. I save it in a folder called My ApneaGraph Data, which is the new format. It's now AGS instead of APN. I save it. And then I click Next. And you see that the data in the background here is automatically plotted graphically. Then I have, I'm basically done because I don't use a torso unit or SD card to import my data. I use my hard disk, and there's nothing else to do. I can click Finish. And now this is my data for analysis. So that completes this tutorial. Thank you.